What is up? I am back once again, and today we're going to be looking at this new build right here. It's a beautiful, beautiful home built by Maracay in the Copper Bend community right next to Santan Mountain. It is a beautiful, beautiful house. Has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus a den and a large dining room. It's spacious, beautiful views, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's take a look. All right, there you have it. Another beautiful, beautiful new build. This one on the border of Queen Creek and Gilbert. Has all of the Gilbert services, but it's addressed in Queen Creek. Hey, you're already finished?
I thought I was doing natural.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to.
Oh, you want to do
this.
it?
Okay. All right. So thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. And always remember that we deal real estate, but helping people is our business.
We did it pretty quick.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
You always make it hard.
No, you make it hard.
No, you make it hard.
No, you make it hard. No, you make it hard. Stop it.